Hey guys, what's up? My name's Daniel. If you're like me and have had a musty AC smell in a 2009 to 13 Corolla and have already tried the cabin air filter, that's not it. These cars have an evaporator that gets a little moldy. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that smell. What we have is an AC Pro evaporator odor eliminator. You can get this at any part store. If you go to AutoZone, it's behind the counter. Just ask for it and they should have it. It comes in a little can and a little hose that you can shove up the evaporator drain tube, and this foams, which will clean that mold from the evaporator core. And that's what we're going to do today. That's the car. You see that? Hold on. Let me, Scotty Kilmer. And then add thumbnail of bad or something. So in these cars, you can either go through the bottom at the evaporator drain tube. I already know it's clear. There's nothing blocking it. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you actually. You're going to want to go in the car, right in there. Watch this. Let's pull the carpet back. You see this hose here? You want to see that right there? Get in there. Hold on, I have a flashlight for this. This hose right here is the evaporator drain tube. You can disconnect right there and go straight in to have a quicker path to the evaporator core. So what you want to do is disconnect in here so you can inject the chemical. So that just pops right out. And now what's left is this hose here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take the product. I sound like a salesman. When we take the product, and we're going to shove it up here. You might need some paper towels handy just in case it drips out. Alright, we have the hose in, and then we're just going to press the button. That was cool. Hold for 15 seconds until the can is depleted. And there we go, that's it. We're going to pull that out, and try to disconnect or connect it real quick back in there. There we go. And now it'll drain like normal. And now we wait 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll get back when we do that. Okay, so we've let the chemical work for about 15 minutes. So now we're gonna turn the car on, or turn the key. You can either turn it on to save your battery, but if you're confident in your battery, turn the blower on the lowest speed and let the evaporator dry out some more. Let it go about 5 minutes, and then right now you can smell it. Chemicals. So now the process is over. We've got the AC on now, and all you smell is nice clean air. I think that's a job well done. Zoom into that! Woo!